The captain's here, Adam Shelton, and welcome to another edition of ClearCryptos. Today we're talking about SushiSwap. We talked about Uniswap, PancakeSwap, but let's talk about this SushiSwap. Now, it's an example of an automated market maker, okay? It's increasing popularity tool among cryptocurrency users. It was launched September 2020 as a fork of Uniswap. Okay, so this is actually sushi.com website. You can see the price, the liquidity total, total volume, and total pair. Be a DeFi chef with Sushi. Swap, earn, stack yields, lend, borrow, leverage, all in one decentralized community-driven platform. Welcome home, DeFi to DeFi. So this is SushiSwap in a nutshell. You can still do the similar things you do to Uniswap. You can swap your Ethereum for any token that's on the SushiSwap user access points. So from this one, I can say, let me go to Harmony. I can do Harmony 1. I can do, Shiba. So I can do other things on this platform as well. The same thing at Uniswap, making sure your wallet is connected at the top right. And then from here, you will swap. Let's say I swap my Ethereum for SushiSwap. Same thing. Oh, one thing I need to let you know, make sure your slippage is set to a level where it lets you to go ahead and do that. Your transaction may be in the front run. Click off, swap. And then from there, you just confirm your swap and you go ahead and swap your Ethereum for SushiSwap. Very simple and very easy. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. It's more things over here as well. Check out sushi.com and go ahead and swap some Ethereum for some SushiSwap because it's a nice tool. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next video.